Hey there and welcome to this demo of QuickFunnel. Now QuickFunnel is basically the only platform that you'll need to create beautiful websites, funnels, and also to send emails to your leads. As you can see here, we're on the dashboard, and when we click on this left menu, you can see this part where you can manage your website. Inside of QuickFunnel, you can create multiple websites for different businesses as well, but I'm going to show that a little later. As you can see here, you can manage your homepage, you can manage your web pages, and you can change the design of your pages in the design builder. Another feature is the journey builder, where you're able to set up funnels and other journeys. Also, if you like to set up different landing pages, you can do that in here. Sending emails can be done inside of this area. To get started, I'd like to show you the journey builder because this is one of the most advanced funnel builders on the market. When you click on new funnels journey, you will be able to create a new journey. As you can see here, you can choose from different options. You can choose a goal for your journey, for your funnel, which can be target leads, or maybe you want to gather more sales, or maybe you would like to have more people registered for your webinar, or you want to get leads on your website. As you can see, there are different goals for a funnel that you're building out. In this case, I'd like to show you how to get a sales page up and running. So we click on more sales and we give our funnel a name. I'm going to call this funnel 3. When we click on add, it will bring us to the templates that we can choose. Now from the left menu here, you can choose from a gallery, or you can choose from your own templates that you save to your gallery, or you can start creating from scratch. In this case, we're simply going to use one of the templates built in. So to preview a template, you simply click on preview, and here you can see the template that's available. This is one of the sales templates. As you can see, this looks beautiful. So if you want to use this, you simply click on Start with Journey, and now it will import this page inside of our journey. Now, as you can see, this is the visual funnel builder where you're allowed to add triggers and actions to this funnel. As you can see here, this funnel starts with a landing page, and this is the sales page. Now, if we'd like to edit the sales page, we can click here on this icon here, this pencil, and that opens the funnel builder for us, or the page builder for us. And as you can see, this is the page, and I see that I selected the other one, but it's just for an example. As you can see here, this looks beautiful. Now on this page builder, you're able to move each element wherever you like. So there's no padding, there's no margin. Everything is drag and drop simple. You can simply make this smaller. You can move it to anywhere you would like. And you can change this as well. So if we make this a little bit wider, we go to the settings of this page, or we click on edit, and this gives you a lot of other options. So you could choose the different ages in here, the headers. You can choose the different types of fonts that are available inside of the platform that you can choose from. As you can see, there are huge font library available in here. Alignment, the text colors, etc. You can even rotate text. If you like to rotate the text on your page, that's also possible. Lots of options available in here. You can link this, you can style this, you can do the background color, etc. Now, to add extra elements, let's delete this element in here. At the left side here, we have the different elements on a page. So we have headlines, we have paragraphs, images, videos, buttons, shapes, icons, spaces, and more. And if you like to add an element to your page, you simply drag and drop this to your page, and you can start editing this headline here. You can change the colors, etc. If you like to add some other widgets to your page, you click and select the widgets part. You can choose from timers, logos, HTML, social, lead forms, sign up forms, booking forms, products, and more options as well. This works exactly the same. You simply drag and drop this to your page here, and when you go to the edit section again, you have the option to change all the styles of this timer. You can select a date in here, you can select a time, or if you like, you can loop this timer. As you can see, there are many options available. If you like to disable the minutes or the seconds, you can do that in here as well. and you can redirect once the timer has finished. You can also choose from different styles if you like to choose a different style, and simply click on save, and now your timer has been saved. And this way you're able to add elements to your page. As you can see, each element can be selected, can be edited. And if you like to change the style, you can do that in here. Wanted to have another background color? No problem. Simply change it in here to the color you like, and boom, it's done. It's super simple. Want to duplicate an element? No problem. Simply click on duplicate and your element is duplicated on your page. And that's how easy this funnel builder works. So we have our elements, we have our widgets, and then the second part inside of our funnel builder is the settings part here at the top. When I click on the settings part, I can give my page a name. I can change the URL of my website, of my landing page, and this can also be done on our custom domain, which you can configure inside of QuickFunnel as well. Another important feature is that you can select what kind of conversion goal you would like to accomplish with this page. So if you like to accomplish a sale, you can select sale, and you can paste this code on the thank you page so that sales are being registered inside of QuickFunnels. You can also add a lead acquisition as a conversion goal, a link click, or maybe a share count. In this case, we're gonna select a sale and we'll go to the next one. Google Analytics is also supported. You can add your codes. There's a Facebook remarketing option, a third-party JavaScript, embed, possible SEO, so you can set up your page title, keyword and meta description, cookie consent, and if you have multiple versions, you can see them in here and restore your pages as well. Once you've done that, you can also check how your page will look like on mobile. By clicking the mobile version of your page, you can see exactly how your page looks like on mobile, and you can make your changes on mobile as well. Once you're done, you can go to publish, and inside of the publish section, you have different options. You can decide to publish this to public, to members only here, or maybe you could want to have a password on your page. That's not very likely on a funnel page, but that's also possible. In this case, we're going to choose public, and you can also decide whenever you would like to publish. Now, these publish options are more for the landing pages that we're going to check out a little later. For a funnel, we can say, I want to publish this now, and we can click on publish now. Here it says you're not allowed to go next. Please add a lead form element. So what I haven't done here is when I go to the settings part, is when you go to your conversion goal, I need to go to sale because I want to register a sale. If I would have chosen the lead acquisition, I could add a lead form here to my page, and then it will also give the analytics of the leads of those pages. In this case, we're going to do sale, and now we're going to save that part, and now we can publish our page. As you can see, now it's going to publish our funnel, and it's going back to the funnel editor, the visual builder. Now, once you have built your landing page, you have many options that you can add to your landing page. As you can see here, once it has succeeded, when the conversion is yes, we're going to forward them to another landing page. So this could be your upsell page or something else. Also, when somebody has purchased a product and in this case, clicked a link, we're going to add that person to a list. So basically, if you have a lead form or the person is already inside of your QuickFunnel account, you can add them to a list. You can add a contact tag, you can do a lead score, but basically you can add elements yourself as well. So let's say somebody has filled out this landing page, and we can also send an email to this contact. So let's say the conversion is yes, they've clicked the link, they've purchased the product, then we're also going to send them an email. And on the timer, we can decide if we want to send this email immediately, we can send it later, after 1 day, for example, or we can schedule this on a specific date if we like to. So in this case, we're going to do immediately, and we're going to hit save. So first we need to add an email. So let's cancel, and we need to send the email in here. So you can choose the broadcast that you would like to send. Going back to the editor, you have multiple options. So on send here, you can do something else. You could say, I want to do a follow-up of sending emails. So I'm going to drag another email in here, and I can say here we have different options on send, on open, on unopen, on click, on unsubscribe, on bounce. So let's say on open, we're going to connect this one to the next email, And then in here, we can say immediately, no, after 1 day, we're going to send another email, and so on. So this is how you can work with the funnel builder. And you can add all different kind of elements. You can add tags, lead scores, pop-ups and bars can be measured, add to a specific list. So let's say somebody has purchased a product. You can say, okay, when this is being done successfully, when they've purchased the product, I'm going to add this person to this specific list here. And you can choose from the list that you've added to the system. And once your journey is ended here, you can end your journey. Now let's delete this one because we haven't configured any emails. We can say here, this journey has been finished. So this is the journey now that we have created inside of QuickFunnel. Now we're going to hit save and next. And we're going to get a visual overview of our funnel here. You can see this trigger of the journey, this page, and then this is the end of the journey. Now, if you have multiple steps, they will be shown in here as well. And now you can click on publish, and this funnel will be published, and you can start using this funnel. And right here, you can see the triggered audience, the conversions, and you can also start a funnel by, let's say, I'm going to show you one more thing here, by targeted leads, for example. I'm going to do a leads funnel. And instead of starting with a landing page, you can also say, okay, in this case, we're going to do, let's choose this one quickly. And now this is the funnel builder. Let's delete this landing page. We can also say, I want to start with a specific segment in here as well. And now it says, if any contact is added or removed from a specific segment, then you can also show a landing page, or a landing page is not possible. You can add them to a list. You can also add a tag to this person. And you can, for example, start adding an email. So once somebody has been removed to a specific segment, you can start sending emails, and then the funnel builder works exactly the same. So you have multiple options to use the funnel builder by starting with a landing page, starting with contacts, attribute changes, segments, and emails. So this is the funnel builder, the journey funnel builder that you can use inside of QuickFunnel. Now, like I said, there's also a website builder. So when you click on home, the first time that you use this, it will be set up a website for you, as you can see here. So this is a done for you website that you can use on the front end. Now, you can use this to build your business where people can reach out to you, etc. And you can change those pages. So when I collapse this one, you go to website pages. You can start working on your pages. So let's say the contact us pages or the terms and conditions. You can see all these pages in here. You can start working on them. You simply click on edit, or you can create new pages. And you will basically have the same builder as you've seen before. So this is the same page builder where you can build your website pages as well. Then we also have the landing page builder where you can create separate pages. So as you can see here, these are all standalone landing pages. So this is different than the funnel builder, the journey builder. These are standalone landing pages. So if you'd like to create one landing page, you simply go to new page in here. You give your page a name. So I'm going to call demo page 1. I'm going to click on create. And now you can choose from all the available templates again, or choose here from your own templates, or start from scratch. And again, here you have all those templates. Look at how many templates you have inside of this library, all beautiful templates that you can use. And simply select one of the templates, start working with the templates, and you will get the page builder that we already seen before. As you can see here, this is a beautiful page template that comes with QuickFunnel. Look how beautiful these pages look like. You can simply change this to your own content and then start publishing this. And inside of the builder, what I haven't showed you yet, you can always go back to the main menu in here as well. As you can see here, we have the website builder, the journey, the landing pages, etc. to go quickly back to other parts inside of the application. Also, you're able to send mails inside of QuickFunnel. Simply click on new email, give your broadcast a name. I'm gonna call this demo. I'm gonna click on create, and it must at least have one character more. So let's do this. And here you can choose from the templates as well. You can start working with email templates, or you can start with a simple email. As you can see, there are many templates inside here. You can also do a plain template, but let's say we're going to choose this one. Then it's going to open the email builder for us. And here you can start designing your emails. Now, this is an advanced email builder, but you can also use the text builder as well. There's a spam checker on the inside. You can preview your email. And when you click next, you have the option to send all the emails to your list. So on this page, you can select the contacts that are inside of your QuickFunnel account. And this is one business. And keep in mind that you're able to set up multiple businesses inside of QuickFunnel. Now, if you select your contacts, you can click next. You have the sending options where you have the subject name, the sending options like your from address, your reply address, your SMTP options, and you can schedule your mail. You can send it immediately or select a date and time. Simply click on next, and here it will give an overview of your email. And if you like to send it, simply hit the send button and your email will be sent. It will also show here the amount of contacts and the total amount of sales emails that have been sent. You can also click on analytics in here, and then it will show you all the analytics of your email, the technology that's being used, the location, the link activity here, the subscriber activity, the unsubscribe activity. And that's all part inside of the analytics in here that can also be found inside this section here, where you can see all the analytics of your audience, your contacts, your landing pages, your mails, your funnel journeys, etc. And there's also an extra upgrade option, which is the My Drive here, where you can upload all of your files, different images, your documents, your videos, audios, others, and third-party options. Now, like I said, inside of QuickFunnel, you're able to set up multiple businesses. As you can see, I'm now working inside of business name Tim. But when I go here to the right top menu, I go to businesses. I have the option to create extra businesses. Simply click on new business, and you're able to set up a whole new business inside of QuickFunnel. Now, once you've done that, it will set you up with a new website in here and where you can create journeys based on a client. So basically, you're able to set up client accounts inside of QuickFunnel as well, where you can create different journeys, different home pages, different landing pages. You will get a complete clean account for each business. And of course, you also have the settings in here where you can set up all the extra options. As you can see, QuickFunnel comes with a lot of options in here where you can set up your business profile, your custom domain if you'd like to, third-party analytics, your homepage, your branding, your cookie consent. All these options are available in here. Also, under the More menu, you have your integrations. So when I click on New Integration, QuickFunnel also integrates with all these platforms that you're seeing right here. And that, in a nutshell, is QuickFunnel. There are even more options, which I'm not able to show you in this short demo video, but you will see them later once you're on the inside. Thank you for watching, and see you on the inside.